Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ludo with contact friends. To begin, launch your Ludo app and look for the Play with Friends or Private Room option. You'll typically have the choice to invite contacts directly from your phone's address book, or you can share a unique game code with them. This allows for seamless connection, whether you are playing locally with up to 4 people or connecting with friends across different locations for an online match. The core objective of Ludo is straightforward. Be the first player to move all 4 of your colored tokens from your starting base into your designated home triangle. To begin moving a token, you must roll a 6 on the dice. This special roll allows you to bring 1 token out of your base and place it on its starting square, granting you an additional roll immediately. Subsequent moves are determined by your dice rolls, advancing your tokens clockwise around the board. A key part of Ludo's strategy involves capturing your opponent's tokens. If your token lands on a square occupied by an opponent's token, their token is immediately sent back to their starting base, requiring them to roll a 6 again to re-enter the game. Remember, tokens are safe from capture when they are on any of the 5 star-marked squares or within their own colored home column. Plan your moves carefully to protect your tokens and capture others. After your tokens have completed a full journey around the board, they will enter their designated home column. To move a token into the central home triangle, you must roll the exact number required to land precisely on one of the 4 home spaces. For example, if a token is 3 spaces away, you need to roll a 3. The very first player to successfully guide all 4 of their tokens into their home triangle is declared the winner of the Ludo game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.